of the day. You create your luck by working for what you want. You create your luck by working for what you want. One man and food vendor used to meet occasionally and discuss many topics, and it was very interesting and fun for both of them. One day, while food vendor preparing a food, they started discussing about hard work and luck. Man asked food vendor, "What do you think? A man gets success because of hard work or luck?" Food vendor asked, "Sir, you must be having a bank locker in bank." Man replied, "Yes." Food vendor said, "The keys to that bank locker is my answer." Man was confused and didn't understand, so he asked, "What do you mean?" He replied, "Sir, every bank locker has 2 keys. You get to keep one key and bank manager keeps the other key." Man replied, "Yes." Food vendor asked, unless you use both those keys, you can't unlock the lock of the bank locker, right?" Man replied, "Right." Food vendor smiled and said, "Similarly, in life, key you hold represent your hard work, and key the manager holds represent your luck. One should never stop doing hard work and never stop trying to use his key, because you never know when God will use his key. And your door to success get open if you are not working hard. The lock remains unopened because you are not able to apply your key of hard work. So you create your luck by working for what you want. Thank you. Have a blessed day.